Hi, my friends. Well, this is going to be something different. I'm going to do an unboxing video of something I'm really excited about, and someone's here to help me. Hi, Mr. Koala. Hi. Hi, Mr. Simon. Hi, Mr. Koala. We're going to do an unboxing of the Yoto Player, my friends. Yes, because I've got a debut album coming out, children's album coming out, don't we, Mr. Koala? Yeah. And we're really excited about it. And I've been thinking about how my children in my community can actually listen to this without having to have a phone, screen time, an iPad or a tablet, or in front of a computer, right? So I started researching these children's music players or audio players, and I'm kind of excited about the Yoto Player. So I went ahead and bought one. And Mr. Koala, you want to go get it? Okay. Oh, okay. Right, we need to, you know what, Mr. Koala? Let the adults or the grown-ups just, use the knife to cut the box open. Okay. Give it a little bit of that. Give it a little bit of that. And what have we got inside the box? Another box, my friends. Oh, okay. Where's the top? It's very exciting. Inside is, I bought this for $129. It's 2023, and this is the third generation Yoto Player, and here it is in the box. All right, and I got the little starter kit. I'll have the link in the description below. And it comes with, I need, Mr. Simon needs his reading glasses. Okay, there we go, that's better. Comes with, it's a little starter pack. Look, here we go. So you can discover the perfect selection of cards to start your Yoto collection. Get ready to hear some amazing audio from every corner of the card store in this carefully curated starter pack. Right, there we go. There's a list there you can pull. Wait, it's out of focus. Boop. Okay, oh, it's still out of focus. Anyway, you can pause it and have a look at that. But that is the starter pack, my friends. So we'll look at that in a minute. Let's get to the actual box. Oh, right, here we go. Nice little box, nice little covering here. And it's got this, the description on here. So these are wonderful, wonderful things about this thing. And that's why I like this over, say, the Tony, which is something I was really looking into, getting like a little figurine. But when I figured out that, I have to be pretty popular to have my own little figurine like Laurie Berkner, they only come with you can get like usable ones that you can program your album on or your music on and stick it on the top. But this thing, it's so cool. It's got a clock face, so you'll see it's got it's supposed to be like a screen-free audio player, right? Which it is, but it does come with this beautiful little display. It's very cute and large pixels, and it can tell you the time. And during the day, apparently, from what I've seen on other reviews, is that during the day it has a little sun with some clouds on it. At nighttime it turns into a moon, so that's kind of cool. And then you can do all these other things on here. So you can set okay to wake routines and alarms. You can record stories with make your own cards, which is what I'm excited about, programming my own album onto one of these cards. It's also got a simple room thermometer, which is really cool, so that you can know the temperature of the room if you have little babies. And it has play free sleep sounds with white noise. Okay, so that's already on there. And it has up to 24 hours of play per charge, which is really exciting to know, because all the other players, they only have like 7. I think the Tony player has like up to 7 hours of play. With this has up to 24 hours. And one lady said that she charges it like once a week. So that's pretty cool, right? So anyway, that's that. How's it going to open here like this? And on top is your free, every Yoto player comes with a free program your own. It's a blank card or something like, I'm not sure how they work. If there's like a magnetic strip inside or how it works when you put it in the top. But anyway, you program your own thing on that. So you can have grandma or grandpa read a story, right? Put that in, or Mr. Simon music on there. Okay, and then it comes with some basic cards. I think this is, so this one here I think is all the safety you know, so you need to read all that before giving it to your child. There's a few things that you got to do before you give it to your child. Okay, so here's all the instructions on how to get it online and program it all up, which I'm going to have to read up on before I take this any further, I guess, once we get this out the box. Here it comes. There it is, my friends. And what else have we got in the box? And at the bottom here, we've got something hiding in here. It's the cable. Oh, very nice. And this USB cable, it's a material, so you can see that it's very beautiful. It's very high quality, and it's long. I think what does it say here? 1.5 meters. Oh, that's really long. Or 5 foot, right? It's USB to. So I think it's called USB-C to a USB-A, right? So this is quite a popular thing. Apparently, this is Generation 3, and Generation 2 used to have like a mounting thing with the Yoto charging station, which, you know, if you lost it or you left it on holiday somewhere in a hotel, you know, it'd be a bit of a drag to try and get a new one. So this one, you can, if you lose this cable, you can always get one of these online or at a store. Here it is, my friends. Now, it doesn't come with the rubber thing. That's an extra $30 or $29. And so this is the actual player, which I'm really excited about. It's pretty light. You know, it's what you would think it would be, like an alarm clock sort of weight. It sits like this, right? And you've got these little buttons. You push the buttons and you twirl them here. Let's turn it on. Let's see where the power button is. So I think this is it on the side. So you got to hold it down for 3 seconds. Oh, yes. I love it. Is that it? Just the face? Oh, it's very cool, my friends. It's very cool. Now, this is what happens when you turn it this way, right? It goes, there's your night light. So when your child wants to go to sleep, if they don't want to see the clock on the front here, you can have this. And apparently you can program this to different colors. And when you read all this, you can get the app and you can control it like from your phone. So if you're in another room, you can control the different colors. And if you want it to stop playing or whatnot, there's a lot of control that you as a parent have with this thing. Okay, so let's see if these buttons do anything. What's this? Did it just wink? It did. It just winked at me. What's this one? Oh, it winked. Okay. Oh. Okay. If we twirl the... Oh, okay. So this is the volume. You got a beautiful display here with the volume, right? Very, very easy. Very... Oh, that's too loud. Ooh. And you can control the maximum volume on this for your child so that it never goes too loud. Because you know what they'll do? They'll just like... Loud, 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 right? So you can control how loud that gets. And on the top here, this is where you put your cards. This is the card slot. So of course, you know, I don't think there's nothing on here. So what if we just put it in? What's this say? What does it say? I have to turn around here. Yoto app. Oh, I've got to download the Yoto app. Okay. So you know what? We should probably do that. But I'm excited to play some of these cards and program my music on here. I don't know how to do that just yet. I think I have to do it on my computer somehow through the app and then put it on here, and then my album will be on here, and then, you know, you'll just take this and put it in your Yoto player. And the cool thing is, if you lose the card, once you've downloaded it in here, it's going to be on the app so that it will just remain there. So if you lose this card, you'll have my music, or you'll have these separate little cards. Should we have a look at these cards? Okay, now it says here the age is 3+, but you know, it's designed for younger children as well, just with parental assistance, right? Wait, there's a little perforated edge here. Let's just rip that. Look at that, isn't that cute? Now, the other cool thing I like about this is that you can buy you got all these, like, you can get lots and lots of cards, and they'll fit nicely if you're traveling, or even if you're just going to the park, or if you're going to grandma's up in Connecticut or whatever. You know, you can actually take quite a few books or albums, cards with you. Whereas something like the Tony, the figurines are quite big. So the kids love them, and they end up usually just playing with them a lot rather than these cards. But you don't buy Tonys for the kids to play with the figurines. They've probably got plenty of toys for that. So you buy them for the educational and the listening purpose of having an audio player. Okay, let's download the app and see where we go from there. Okay, we're back. Hey! Don't touch anything you're in. Okay. But I like. Okay, no. So what had to happen was I had to plug it in, right? Had some charge on it, but I had to plug it in to connect to the internet. So you can either scan this or follow the instructions. You basically just go to the App Store, download the app. It's super simple. And then you set up the player. You just follow the instructions to set up the player. You connect the player to Wi-Fi. You connect the player to your phone so that you've got the app so that they're connected. Basically a Bluetooth speaker. It's connected with your phone and the cloud and everything like that. So the time will always be accurate. I didn't have to set it or anything, right? So it'll be accurate to your time zone, which is really good. Isn't that good, Mr. Koala? No. Oh, okay. You come and sit here, mate, because we're going to continue. Okay, so let's see if this works. Now, I'm on my phone, and the app's on my phone. Let's see if this works. Now, so what you want to do is when you put a card in, right, you just stick it on the slot. And, what does it look like? Oh, okay, so see this cloud here? It says when the cloud is there. Oh, it started playing. When the cloud is there, don't take the card out. It's still downloading to the player. But now you can take the card out, put it back in, and it will pick up from where you left off, I think. It's supposed to.
The playground. What a wonderful place to create, well, anything you want. All the songs you're about to hear were made up on playgrounds by kids just like you.
So this was something that I really wanted to I had my fingers crossed that the sound was good. It's got stereo speakers. It's got a speaker on the left and a speaker on the right. And it's very bassy. It's very full. What is that? I think that's the downloading sign. What is that? Is that? Oh, that's a piano. What's happening?
We're going down, baby, down the roller coaster, sweet baby. I'll never let you go, shimmy.
Oh. Right, so you take this out. Now, apparently when you put it back in, it should just start playing from where it left off. There we go. You can also pause it apparently by just pressing the power button, right? And that's the pause symbol there, okay? So unpause it. And this is, as we worked out before, is the volume. Very simple. Apparently what you can do is you can either push the button like this to go through the different tracks. So when I'm actually doing my own album on this, I'll be able to choose the different icons or pictures that you see on here from their collection, their online collection, right? So here's some sort of plant. So as the kids are going through, they may not know what track my bird song is on, or the train song, for example, but they'll just scroll through and they'll be able to just see from the picture there what track they're on. Isn't that cool? Good night. Let's turn the lights off. Yes, my friends. Shh, nighttime. You can change the color. So if you want a blue one or a yellow one, you can change that night light. But that is really cool, my friends. I really love that. And then we can just turn it that way for when we want to have the time. Yay. Okay, let's turn the lights back on. Okay, cool. So what else was I going to say? Oh yeah, so the cool thing with this one as well, which I really love, is that it is a Bluetooth speaker, and it actually looks like an alarm clock. I think this will, as your child gets older, 9, 10, 11, 12 years of age, they're still going to use this, and they're still going to be able to have audio books that they can buy and put in here and use and fall asleep to or wake up to in the morning. So there's also Yoto Radio, which... You don't have to purchase a card for. It's free music, right? But I think there's another one here. There's a ghost that comes on here, which I think is the podcast, which is a daily podcast. It's a family-friendly podcast.
Hello, my
Yoto Daily spooky crew. It's Halloween!
So I'm really excited about this player. I can't wait to like program music on the card and stick a Mr. Simon sticker on there, because you can stick stickers on there. I've seen them online. And the actual player itself, without all these like starter pack cards, which I think is really good value for another, I think it was another $10 or something, because the Yoto player, the Generation 3 player, is $119 US dollars, and I basically bought it at 11 o'clock last night on Amazon, and it arrived by lunchtime the next day if you have Amazon Prime. It's wonderful for kids of all ages, all the way up to like early teens. You know, I think this is going to be really good for your child for many years, as long as they look after them. And I'm excited to be able to put my music on this thing here, on this little card here. And you can buy these cards, you can buy multiple cards, blank cards, and program lots of different things on them. So I'll let you look into that online yourselves. But can I push buttons now? No, Mr. Koala, stop pushing. No, don't. Okay, what's that? What was that? What did you just do? Oh, you know what? I think they're gonna. I think. Oh, that was the volume. Okay. Oh, he's working at the volume. Okay. Good job, Mr. Koala. So please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, go and check out all the videos I have coming out every week, and stay tuned for more updates on the Yoto player and my album coming out hopefully this year, and where you can get that from, where you can buy these cards from, or things like that. So have a great day, and Mr. Koala, say goodbye. Bye, everybody. Bye, everyone. See you in the next video.